Good morning, children. Today we are going to start one new topic that is class 11 basics. This is what IIT for 9th and 10th as well as regular 11th class syllabus. So many basics are required whenever you are entering into +1. All those basics we will see in first 2 to 3 videos. Listen carefully, very important. IIT basic concepts. IIT basics we will see. Each concept try to understand thoroughly, whether it may be 3 videos or 5 videos, no problem. First videos are very important for basics. Try to understand. Here is a particle P. One particle is there in a space. Let the particle is P. Now, how can you define where the particle is? We cannot say. Why? Because to define P is very difficult. So, to define this P, imagine two coordinate system. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. XY coordinate, it is a two-dimensional coordinate system, x comma y. This is what origin. Now, from this origin, I am going to define that particle P. Now, join a line from O to P. This is called nothing but OP vector. The direction is from O to P. It has some magnitude also. Why? Because it is a 10 centimeter or 15 centimeter. So, it has both magnitude and direction. Now, it is making theta angle with the x-axis. Let us consider this P vector is making theta angle with the x-axis or horizontal plane. Now, see here, what is the distance on x-axis? What is the distance on y-axis? Then we can easily define. If you know this, if you know this distance, we can easily say that on x-axis it is 5 centimeter, on y-axis it is 3 centimeter. P particle is in a coordinate system, xy coordinate system. It is 5 centimeter on the x-axis and 3 centimeter on the y-axis. Like that we can define. But how do we know that this distance? O2, let this is P dash. How do we know this distance? Let us consider this is opposite side of this triangle. OPP dash triangle you take from triangle OPP dash. I want this, this is what adjacent side, this is what opposite side, this is hypotenuse. I want, first of all, I am going to find these two values. How to calculate? First of all, I will take sin theta. If you take sin theta, what is the formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse is the formula. So, sin theta is equal to opposite side is PP dash by hypotenuse is OP. If you cross multiply, PP dash is equal to OP sin theta. Directly remember, opposite side is PP dash is equal to this value. OP, hypotenuse into sin theta is the value which is opposite to theta. Similarly, this value also you can calculate from the above triangle. Cos theta is equal to what will happen? Cos theta is equal from this triangle, same triangle. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. OP dash by OP. From this OP dash is equal to what will happen? OP cos theta. This is also directly defined. OP dash is equal to nothing but OP cos theta. Remember, very important, to define a particle P in a space, we imagine a coordinate system, that is a two-dimensional coordinate system x and y. This is the origin of this coordinate system. From origin to that particle, let us consider this distance is nothing but it is a vector quantity. This distance is OP. This is a OP vector. It is a OP vector. This is nothing but hypotenuse of this triangle. This is opposite side of the triangle. This is adjacent side of the triangle. Directly you can calculate that this is OP cos theta. This is OP sin theta. That means which is attached to theta. Theta attached part is horizontal component is always OP cos theta. This is OP sin theta. Remember, wherever theta is attached, that line is nothing but OP into given hypotenuse into cos theta, given hypotenuse into sin theta. Remember, opposite side of the opposite side of the theta, OP hypotenuse into sin theta. This is adjacent hypotenuse into cos theta. Remember, very very important. This is what this is called nothing but resolution of vectors. Resolution of vectors. One more thing also remember, the children, this is what nothing but these two are parallel, OP dash and O dash P, these two are parallel. If it is OP cos theta, this is also OP cos theta. If it is OP sin theta, this is also OP sin theta. Remember, very important. Understand now, children? To define a particle which is present in space, now let us consider, imagine a coordinate system x and y. It is a two-dimensional coordinate system. Let us consider, if you join a line from O to P, this is called vector quantity. To define this OP is making theta angle with the horizontal plane. So horizontal plane distance, the distance of this particle on the horizontal plane, OP cos theta, vertical component OP sin theta, OP sin theta, OP sin theta, these two are equal, parallel, OP cos theta, these two are equal. Now go to next topic, very important, children, these topics. Let us consider this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, this is ABC. The right angle means one angle is definitely 90 degrees. Let us consider this is 37 degrees triangle. If it is 37 degrees triangle, what will happen? This is 53. Why? Because sum of angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees, that we know. Now observe, if it is a 37 degrees triangle, this is what? Small angle. Smaller angle opposite always value is 3. This one is 4. Then automatically this will be 5. Why? Because AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So if you want AC square, this is 3 square 9 plus 16, 25. AC is equal to under root 25, that is 5 from Pythagoras theorem. Now observe, children, remember this triangle, very important. 37 degrees triangle, 53 degrees triangle is very important. Once again I am going to draw here. This is what? 37 degrees triangle. 37 degrees triangle, opposite angle is 3. This is 4. This is 5. Not angle, magnitudes. Now what is sin 37? Tell me. Sin 37 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin 37 value 3 by 5. What is cos 37? Cos 37 adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now tan 37. What is tan 37? Sin 37 by cos 37. 3 by 5 by 4 by 5. 5 cancel, 3 by 4. What is cot 37? 1 by tan 37. 4 by 3. Sec 37. 1 by cos 37. 5 by 4. Cosec 37. Cosec 37 is nothing but 1 by sin 37, 5 by 3. Very important. This is what? Nothing but a 37 degrees triangle. Similarly, we will see 53 degrees triangle also. Directly you can write, but 53 opposite side. 53 opposite side is this one, adjacent side this one. This is hypotenuse. Once again I will draw here. I will write here. This is what? 53 degrees triangle. Remember, this is 4. This is 3, this will be 5. A, B, C. What is sin 53? Tell me. Sin 53 is equal nothing but opposite by adjacent side, opposite by hypotenuse, 4 by 5. What is cos 53? Cos 53, adjacent side by hypotenuse, 3 by 5. Tan 53, sin by cos, so 4 by 3. Cot 53, what? 1 by tan, 3 by 4. Next, sec 53. Sec 53 means 1 by cos 53, 5 by 3. Cosec 53 is 1 by sin 53, 5 by 4. This is what? 37 degrees triangle. This is what? 53 degrees triangle. Very very important in IIT. These values, last topic we saw resolution of vectors. This is nothing but values of 37 degrees triangle and 53 degrees triangle. Very very important in almost in vectors, Newton laws, Newton 3 laws, Newton first law, second law, third law. In all numericals, you should know these basics. Note down. Completed, children? Right. Next we will see some important values, trigonometric values, some important trigonometric values. First, for one formula, how many formulas are there for one formulae? You know very well, in 9th class only, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These three formulas are very, very important. These are called one formulas. One formulas. Note down. Completed. Next. Generally, trigonometric functions are used to measure the long distance, the distance between two stars, the distance between Earth and star, Earth and planet, the height of a tall tree, the distance between two mountains. This can be measured with the trigonometric functions. Next, some 6 important trigonometric functions. Remember, sine, cos. If you divide these two, if you know these two, remaining all we can calculate easily. Sine by cos is nothing but tan theta. Tan theta is equal to nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Next, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to cos by sin. Cos theta by sin theta. Next, sec theta. Sec theta is equal to nothing but 1 by cos theta. Next, cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to nothing but 1 by sin theta. Remember, these are 6 trigonometric functions. Now, these values also remember. If you know two lines remaining, all very easy. 0 degrees. If you put 0 degrees at theta, what will happen? 30 degrees. If you put 30 degrees at sin theta, what is the value? Next, 45 degrees. Next, 60 degrees. Next, 90 degrees. Remember, very, very important. If you know one line remaining, all very easy. Sin theta. Theta place you put 0. Sin 0 value 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Put 45 at theta place. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 91. Now cos theta, cos 0. Put 0 in place of theta. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2, 0. Just reverse it. First row, completely you reverse it. Tan theta, sin by cos. If you divide these two, you will get tan. 0 by anything is 0. 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel. This is root 3. 1 by 0 we cannot define. How many times you divide with 0? You will get n number of times. So 1 cannot divide with 0. Cot theta. Cot theta also can write it as 1 by tan theta. So this is nothing but 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinite. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. 1. This is nothing but 1 by root 3. Just reverse 0. Sec theta. 1 by cos theta. 1 by 1. 1. 1 by root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3, 1 by 1 by root 2, root 2, 1 by 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 0, infinite. Cosec theta, this is nothing but reverse of sec theta, infinite, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. These are values of 6 trigonometric functions. Note down as it is. Very important. Completed, children. Next. Some more important formulae in trigonometry. Next we will see differentiation basics. Next integration basics. If you know all these basics, then we enter into Newton laws. Next, this formula also very important. Sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b. Tell me what is sin of a plus b? Simple. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a plus b. Sin a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Next, cos a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Reverse. Important. In cos, if it is plus, in between you will get minus. Cos a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. once again I am repeating, sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Third one, cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Next, tan A plus B, tan A plus B, very important, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B, tan A plus B. Next, tan A minus B, you put minus here plus here, that's all, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Last two, I will write here, cot A plus B, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Last one, cot A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Sir, how we got all these formula? Means you will get in a regular 11th class mathematics, you will get trigonometry, there is a separate chapter, but I am not going in depth. Derivations also very simple, that also if possible I will tell you later. But coming to these formulas are very very important, just simply you remember these formulas. Once again I am repeating, sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Next, tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, cot A plus B, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A, cot A minus B, cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B plus cot A. These are all very very important, just copy it, take a snapshot and copy it. Next formula children, sin C plus sin D is sin C plus sin D. Before that, sin C plus D, sin C cos D plus cos D sin D. Here sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is what sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. If it minus, first we write cos. Cos C plus cos D, both cos's only, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. If cos C minus cos D, both will be sin only, minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. If you want to remove minus, you can also write like this, so 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. This also you can write, very important this one also. Once again I am repeating, sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D, if it is plus, first you will get sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, cos C plus cos D, both will be cos, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. If you want to remove minus, just symbols I changed here, minus into minus plus D, minus into plus minus C. So you can write D minus C, then it will be turned into plus. Important to note down. See children, these formulas are very very important. Sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x. Observe, if you substitute 45, sin 90 value 1. 2 sin 45 into cos 45, sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, it will be 1. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Cos 2x formulas, so many formulas are there for cos 2x. Cos 2x simply you can write cos square x minus sin square x. First formula, sin square x plus cos square x minus sin square x. We know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to how much? 1. Cos square x as it is you write, sin square x, from the sin square x is equal to what will happen? 1 minus cos square x. I replaced sin square x as 1 minus cos square x. So minus into minus plus 2 cos square x minus 1. Or in this formula, what? This is second formula. If you replace here cos square x is equal to what will happen from the above formula? 1 minus sin square x. So substitute 1 minus sin square x. This is as it is. So 1 minus 2 sin square x. So cos 2x formula, three formulas for cos 2x. One is cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1. These formulas are very, very useful in numericals. Note down. See children, next formula is tan 2x. Tan 2x, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan x formula, tan 2x formula, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos sin x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 sin x. Tan 3x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Tan 3x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x. If you decrease 1 x here, 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus means 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos x, if you remove 2 here, it will be half. 1 minus cos x means you have to half it, 2 sin square x by 2. Tan x is nothing but 1 minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos 2x by sin 2x. These are all very, very important here. Note down this formula. Cos 3x, 3 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Sorry, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Note down. Once again I am repeating, tan 2x, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos. Substitute 30 here, cos 90, 0, 30, cos cube, 30 means root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 4 into root 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. So here it will be 3 root 3 by 8, 8 means 2, 3 root 3, yes, correct. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, tan 2x, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, tan 3x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x, 1 plus cos 2x, very, very important, 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x, 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. If you remove 2 here, it will be half here. 1 minus cos 2x, minus means 2 sin. It comes sin. 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2, tan x, 1 minus cos 2x by sin 2x. Very, very important. Note down. Next topic, see children, very important. These are 4 coordinates. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, this is the x dash coordinate, this is y dash coordinate. If it is completely rotated, it is 360 degrees. In first coordinate, you will get 0 to, here you start 0 to 90 degrees. Here 0 to 90. Here 90 to 180. That means 90 plus 91 to 180. This is 180 to 270 degrees. This is third coordinate, this is second coordinate, this is fourth coordinate. Fourth coordinate complete one rotation 270 to 180 degrees. Remember one code children, all silver teacups. All silver teacups. All means all trigonometric functions like sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. All these trigonometric functions are positive. In first coordinate, all are positive. Second coordinate only starts with s. S means sine, and 1 by sine. 1 by sine is nothing but cosec. 1 by sine is cosec. Only these two are positive. Remaining 4 are negative. T starts with tan. T means tan. 1 by tan. 1 by tan is nothing but cot. Only these two functions are positive, remaining all negative. Only tan, cot positive, remaining sine, cos, cosec, sec negative. Cups. Cup starts with C. So cosec 1 by cosec. 1 by cosec means nothing but sine. 1 by cosec means nothing but cos. Cos 1 by cos means nothing but sec. 1 by cos means nothing but sec. Only these two functions are positive, remaining all negative. Very important. Here sine cosec positive, here cos sec positive, here all are first coordinate all are positive, here only tan and cot are positive. That we will see now how to do. Now see, remember one more thing, whenever 90 and 270 comes, whenever 90 degrees and 270 degrees comes, sine converts into cos, cos converts into sine. Remember, when you see sine 90 plus theta, whenever 90 you see, immediately sine converts into cos. 90 plus means second coordinate sine is positive, so sine 90 plus theta value cos theta. Remember, sine 90 plus theta cos theta. Just remember, here if you see 90 or 270, sine value cos value change, just alternate, sine becomes cos becomes sine. Now we will see one by one. Now tan converts into cot converts into sine, sec converts into cosec converts into sec. Remember these two. Whenever 180 90 and 70 comes, whenever 180 and 360 degrees, if you see, there is no change, sine only, cos tan cot and cosec secant. The values do not change. Second. Remember these values. 90, whenever 90 and 270 appears, sine converts into sine becomes cos becomes sine. Whenever 90 and 270 you see in the value, it be tan becomes cot becomes tan, sec becomes cosec becomes sec. One example we will see. See here, total values I will write once again. Sine 90 plus theta. What is 90 plus theta? 90 plus means second up to 90 first coordinate, 90 plus means second coordinate sine is positive. Whenever 90 comes, sine converts into cos, so its value is cos theta. Now sine 90 minus theta, what will happen? Sine 90 minus, up to 90 it comes, again it goes to the first coordinate. 90 minus means again first coordinate, sine becomes first coordinate sine positive, 90 is there, no, sine becomes cos, so its value also cos theta. Next, sine 180 plus theta. 180 plus means the third coordinate. Sine 180 plus third coordinate, sine negative, so minus. 180, whenever 180 is there is no change. Sine only, sine theta. Sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus means second coordinate. 180 minus, up to 180, again it goes back. 180 minus. That means it may be 179, 178. So second coordinate sine is what? Positive. So 180 is there means sine is sine only, sine theta. Like this, any values we can write. All values we will write once. Up to here completed now. Next, sine 270 plus theta. Sine 270 plus theta. 270 plus means which coordinate? Fourth coordinate. 270 plus fourth coordinate. Fourth coordinate sine is negative. In first two coordinates only sine positive. 270 is there, so sine becomes cos theta. Sine 270 minus theta. 270 minus third coordinate sine negative. 270, whenever 270 is there, sine becomes cos theta. 90 270 is there means immediately you change it. Next, sine values completed. Next, sine 360 plus theta. 360 plus means again one complete rotation completed, again it enters into the first coordinate. First coordinate 360 plus sine is positive, 360 means no change, sine only. Now sine 360 minus theta. 360 minus means again fourth coordinate sine is negative, sine theta. Remember like this, all values you practice once. Come on, any doubts you write in comment section. Like this, sine values, cos values, tan values, all values you practice once. Any doubts write in comment section. Okay, right. Next topic we will see. See children, next topic sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b formula we know, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b also we know, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Both will be cancelled, and what will be the remaining? 2 sin a cos b. Here 1 sin a cos b, here 1 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Here first values will be cancelled. Next time 2 cos a sin b will be remaining. Here 1 cos a sin b, here 1 cos a sin b, 2 cos a sin b. cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos a plus b formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So sin a sin b will be cancelled, gets cancelled. So 2 cos a cos b. Here cos a cos b will be cancelled. So minus 2 sin a sin b we will get. Very important. Once again I will remind you, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, 2 sin a cos b. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, 2 cos a sin b. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, 2 cos a cos b. Cos a plus b minus cos a cos a minus b minus 2 sin a sin b. These are also very important. Just some more advancement. Sin a plus b, sin a minus b values simply write, we can write easily. You cannot remember, you cannot by heart. You know these values, no, you can simplify at that time also. Remember children, last topic today, this is what square roots. 1 square is 1, that means square root of 1 is 1. 2 square is 4, 4 square root 2. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4. See, 4 square 16, that means under root 16 4, under root 25 5, under root 36 6, under root 49 7, under root 8 8s are 64 8, under root 9 9s are 81 9, under root 100 10. Remember, 1 square 1, that means square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 36 6, square root of 49 7, square root of 64 8, square root of 81 9, square root of 100 10. Important, up to 20, at least up to 20 remember. Why? Because the simplification will be easy. Square root of 121 11. Why? Because 11 square is 121. Now 12 144, square root of 12 is 144, square root of 13 is 169, square root of 14 is 176, square root of 15 is 225, square root of 16 16s are 256, square root of 17 is nothing but 289, square root of 18 324, square root of 19 361, square root of 20, square root of 400 is 20. Up to 20, remember square root value, squares and square roots, very very important. Then simplification makes easy. Once again, these values up to here you know very well. 11 square 121, under root 121 is 11, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 176, 15 square 225, 16 256, 17 289, 18 329, 324, sorry, 18 324, or 19 361, 20 20s are 400. Very very important. Remember, any doubts write in comment section. Practice once. All the best. God bless you.